How to use Expedia Credit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your Expedia Credit. Now the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to use the Expedia Credit, what you can do is you can open up Expedia, right? And then what you can do is you can tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you should be able to see your credits option. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see your active credits. Now, what you need to keep in mind is that there are restrictions on how you can use an Expedia flight credit. The first thing to know is that you can't use the credit directly with an airline. You must redeem it for another Expedia booking. In addition, the airline may impose fare and cabin class restrictions, limiting the credit redemption options. Finally, you can only use the flight credits to purchase airfare, not other services like baggage, meals, and upgrades. Now, to use it, you can simply head into this page where you'll be able to see your credit. Then you can simply select the credit you wish to use, follow the instructions to redeem it for a different flight. If the credit doesn't show up in this here, you can directly contact an agent, or you can contact Expedia support. I've already made a video on how you can contact Expedia. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.